Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, look what I have here. Some fresh and juicy turkey wings. And your girl gonna make some delicious baked turkey wings, and I'm gonna do it jerk. And then after it's almost done, I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. It's gonna be finger licking good. And guys, I never know see I saw turkey wing be expensive. Sure. Only 4. Look, 4 of them for $5, almost $6. Look there guys. Anyhow. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these out, wash them in some vinegar water, wash them off nicely. I rinse them off and they're looking fresh and nice, and I have a lot of seasoning over here. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a little ginger paste, about a teaspoon, and this is my blended seasoning. I'm gonna go in with about two teaspoons or more, and this is my jerk. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons as well. I have some cloves. I'm gonna put like 1/4 teaspoon, a tablespoon of paprika, my all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons, 1, 2, and this is my dry rub, my dry jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put a teaspoon because it's very salty. All right, a teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose. You need some onion powder, a teaspoon, and another teaspoon of my garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a little bit more there, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of my cold press olive oil. Okay, now the next thing is just to rub everything in. All right, can you see the goodness here guys? Oh mama mia. Look at that. All right guys, and that's the goodness. You can leave it for about 2 to 4 hours or overnight. And now I'm gonna put some olive oil, just about a teaspoon or a little bit more. All right, and then we're gonna come over here. Look at the goodness guys. I think I'm gonna place them like that. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pour this on it. And you want to preheat your oven about 375, but you can do 350 or 375. But what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna pop them in just like this for the first 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna flip them over for you. Look at this goodness guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop these in the oven and let them simmer down. All right, and I'm gonna come back after the same 35 to 40 minutes mark. Okay. All right, my peeps, so this is where we're at after another 30 minutes. So basically it's hour and something it's in there for. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, before I turn them over, can you see that? You can go ahead and you can base it. I have a little bit of barbecue sauce, any barbecue sauce of your choice, and I'm gonna put some of this honey, and then I'm gonna put some of this Diana one with it too. Mix it up, and look at this goodness, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pop this back in for another 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna flip it over, and that's the last turning up for it. All right, my peeps, so we're back, and let me grab a fork. Look at that, guys. Can you see it? So we're just gonna flip them over the last time. It's about an hour and a half now. They're in there. They're cooked. Nice. Okay. So we're just gonna flip them over again. We're gonna give them another half an hour, and then they're done. We're gonna let this side get some color. See that? Look at that, guys. Ready to eat up. And just coat them over. All right, we're gonna let this get some color. Another half an hour at 350 degrees, and they should be good, guys. If you want, you can cover it up for half an hour in between. All right, with some foil paper. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop this in for another 10-15 minutes, and we're all good. I also did some asparagus. What I did, I put some olive oil, a little bit of salt and black pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of water, and just cover it up. Let it kind of like fry up and steam at the same time. All right. And it's so spicy but really good. So this was in the oven, guys, for like 2 hours and 15 minutes, or a little bit more, maybe 2.5. You see that, guys? Yes. And this is my jerk barbecue turkey wings. Over here, I'm gonna serve up some potato. Top it up. All right, we're gonna get some of this goodness here. I'm gonna set it across like this. Let's pick up one of this goodness right here. Oh yeah, child. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley over here just to kind of tie everything together. This is what I'm serving up, guys. Yes. So I have some cream of potato there, tomatoes, asparagus, and my turkey wings.